How's the morning going so far?
So we're up about $1,000 in about 6 minutes. So not bad. Not a bad start to the Monday.
Pretty good. Pretty good Monday?
Yeah, pretty good Monday. But we'll see. I always just want to come out here. I don't know, there wasn't really a reason like why, but like once I could financially do it.
Support yourself out here.
Yeah, exactly.
On average, what do you shoot for in a day, profits wise?
Any given day I shoot for between $3,000 to $5,000.
How is it living by yourself?
It's definitely lonely. If I'm not staying super busy like all the time, then it definitely feels lonely, but there's definitely pros and cons. It's nice because I'm kind of in my own little world, so I'm really focused when I'm trading, especially. There's no distractions. When the market's closed, it's definitely hard. Like I don't like weekends.
How do you entertain yourself?
I go out, drive in my car, go out to eat, work out a lot. I work out like twice a day, go on a run. I'm definitely about 90% of the time I'm working.
Do you ever get bored? Like, how do you stay motivated doing this full time out here by yourself?
Part of it is like obviously the money. Like that keeps you motivated when you're doing well. But even when I'm not doing well, which is part of it, like you'll have good weeks and bad weeks. If I didn't enjoy, what I was doing, I definitely wouldn't be motivated. But enjoying what you do, especially when you're doing well, it's kind of like the perfect combination to stay like super motivated. Keeps you waking up every morning.
How'd you get your start?
It wasn't even stocks, it was cryptocurrency. My cousin told me about Bitcoin. It was back in like 2016, 2017. It's kind of when I learned about trading and messed with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency up until like 2018 when I started doing stocks and then options. Just got really into it.
Did you ever think that this was going to be like your path?
No, I definitely never thought I was going to do this. Definitely never thought I was going to be a day trader, much less anything in this industry. I kind of found that I liked it, and whenever I start something, I'm not going to start it unless I know I'm going to commit 100% and be the best. So that's what I did. I'm like, if I'm going to do this, I'm going to do it full time, and I'm going to do really well at it. And it obviously took some time, but especially with trading, it's not like you can just half-ass it. I like being able to wake up in the morning and know that I don't have a job I have to run off to, or a boss I have to listen to. It's just me and my computer. I'm in charge of myself, and I decide how much money I make. There's definitely a lot of stress that comes with it, and I've gotten better at dealing with that over time, and it's not like a stable 9 to 5. But I would rather have the ability, the potential to make, $1 million a year compared to being, locked into a salary of $100,000, $200,000. Like, I think having like an endless potential, you can make as much money as you want. I think that's like probably one of the biggest things that attracted me to it. Like, I'm my own boss and I can make as much money as I want, right? It feels a little surreal sometimes, realizing that it's just me and I'm out here on my own and I'm doing kind of whatever I want, I'm not really locked down to anywhere. I can travel, go wherever I want, do whatever I want, pretty much whenever I want. So not having to worry about a schedule or, like being there for a job.
Yeah.
I can travel across the world and do what I'm doing right now. It's really cool. It's crazy. I'm super blessed. I really am. To have been, to have done this well and continue doing this well. pretty surreal. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty sick.
Are you paying with your card today?
Oh, yeah.
Dad, I'm putting your receipt in here. Enjoy the rest of your day, my man. Anytime. Remember, if you need an adjustment, come see me, okay?
Okay, cool.
Cheers.
Have a good one, man.
Okay, these are sick.
Yeah, they're dope.
Alright, that was a night. If you know what you're working towards and you have a goal that you're working toward, that's like, I'm so goal oriented. Like every morning I wake up and I work towards whatever goal that is. Like just getting my R8 was one of my goals that I had written down, and I had continued to look at that every day for like a year. I'm like, I've always liked that car, I've always wanted to get it, but a year ago I really set my mind on getting it and wrote it down, and I kept checking in with that goal and reminding myself, not reassuring, but you know, giving myself encouragement, knowing that I was going to make it happen. So, you know, if you have a drive, you really want something, you just wake up every morning and work toward that. And